In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Calendly times in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Calendly is a popular online scheduling tool that helps you efficiently manage your time by allowing others to book appointments during your available hours. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of editing your availability to ensure it accurately reflects your schedule. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Calendly website, which you can find at calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your account. After logging in, you'll land directly on your dashboard. This is the control center of your Calendly profile where you can oversee all your scheduling options. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Event Types. This is where you can see all the different kinds of events you have set up, like a 30-minute meeting or any other events you've previously created. Click on the specific event type that you want to update. This will open up a new page where you can make the necessary edits. Now you're ready to edit your available times. When it comes to setting your schedule, you have two main options. The first one is to set hours manually. This option allows you to specify which days and times you're available. For example, you might want to be available from Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If your schedule includes split shifts, which means you might be available only between 9 to 12 and then again from 2 to 5, you can easily add these hours using the Add Hours button. This flexibility ensures that your availability accurately mirrors your working hours. The second option is to set custom hours specifically for certain dates. This is particularly useful for instances such as holidays or any unusual days that deviate from your normal routine. You can navigate to a particular date on your calendar and assign unique hours that apply only to that day. This way, you can prevent any scheduling mishaps and better organize your time for special occasions. Lastly, and most importantly, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial because any changes you make will not be applied until they are saved. So always double check and hit that save button to make sure your availability settings are updated. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on editing Calendly times. By customizing your availability, you can ensure that your scheduling process is as smooth and convenient as possible. This comprehensive guide is designed to help you manage your time effortlessly, giving you more control over your schedule and minimizing any potential for confusion. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!